So in this session, we will be understanding where to write JavaScript code. Remember, you can write JavaScript code either inside an HTML file or inside a separate JavaScript file. So usually in case if you are writing a JavaScript code inside a separate JavaScript file, so definitely that JavaScript code file extension must be .js, or directly inside a JS file, .js file, you can directly write JavaScript code. Okay, or otherwise you can able to write the JavaScript code inside an HTML file. Usually you will be knowing that HTML file will be having HTML tag and then head tag and end of head tag and then body tag and end of body tag, end of HTML tag. Remember, in case if you want to write JavaScript code inside HTML file, you can write JavaScript code either inside the head tag, or otherwise you can able to write the JavaScript code inside the body tag or just before the end of the body tag. Usually inside the body of HTML, you will be writing some HTML content, and after writing all HTML content, just before the end of body tag, you can write JavaScript code. Okay, but even in some cases I observed some people will be adding JavaScript code after body tag also. Even that also will work. Okay, but anyhow, I strongly recommend you to write the JavaScript code inside the header portion. Okay, in most of the cases this approach will become correct approach. Which approach it is? Writing JavaScript code inside the header portion instead of writing the JavaScript code just before the end of the body tag or after end of the body tag. Okay, so I believe you understood the point. But anyhow, in some cases or in very rare cases, you might require to write JavaScript code just before end of the body tag also. Okay, but anyhow, in all of my examples, I will be writing the JavaScript code inside the header portion only, and very rarely I will be showing the JavaScript code inside the .js files. But anyhow, somewhere in the JavaScript explanation or somewhere in these tutorials, definitely I will be explaining one or two samples based on JavaScript by writing the JavaScript code in the external .js files. Okay, or remaining 98% of the samples, definitely I will be showing it inside the header portion only, or in simple words, throughout this tutorial 98% I will be writing the JavaScript code in the header only. Believe you understood. But remember, in case if you write JavaScript code inside HTML files, such kind of JavaScript is technically called as inline JavaScript. In case if you write the JavaScript code inside external .js files or inside .js files, such kind of JavaScript code is technically called as external JavaScript. Believe you understood. If you write JavaScript code inside HTML file, that is technically called as inline JavaScript, and if you write JavaScript code inside a .js file, such kind of JavaScript code is called as external JavaScript. I believe you understood the point, right? Now let me try to explain how to write the JavaScript code inside the header or inside the body, right? In case if you want to write JavaScript code inside HTML file, I said you can write it either inside the header or inside the body just before the end of the body tag, or even it can be after body tag. But anyhow, I will be showing all my samples or JavaScript code samples inside the header tag only. Now the next question here is where to write JavaScript code inside the header. In case if you want to write JavaScript code anywhere inside the HTML file, first of all you have to use a special tag called as script. After script, you have to write type is equals to text slash JavaScript inside double quotations, end of the angular bracket, and next end of the script tag, something like this, and inside the script tag you can write happily JavaScript code. Believe you understood. So this approach is not only used while writing the JavaScript code inside the header, the same approach can be used while writing JavaScript code in body tag or after body tag. Believe you understood.